Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Khalid Masood Kareem. In this weekly video tutorial, I will share technical aspects of top volume leaders of the Karachi Stock Exchange. The purpose of this video is only for showing technical aspects and techniques. It is not a recommendation to buy or sell. The Karachi Stock Exchange 100 Index closed at 33,939 level on June 26, 2020. The close is above the weekly pivot level of 33,661 level. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 35,399 and 32,131 respectively. The index is also 1% below the 20-week moving average, which indicates a likely test of the overhead resistance. The TRG closed at 27.39 level on June 26, 2020. The close is above the weekly pivot level of 26.57. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 29.41 and 24.32 respectively. The stock is consolidating near the median line of pitchfork indicator, and is also 21% above the 20-week moving average, indicating overbought state. The Unity Foods closed at 11.17 level on June 26, 2020. The close is below the weekly pivot level of 11.39. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 12.15 and 9.52 respectively. The stock is 7% lower than its 20-week moving average, and below the median line of pitchfork indicator. These technical findings show the grip of the bears, however, the spinning candle may rescue the injured bulls. The Maple Leaf Cement closed at 25.94 level on June 26, 2020. The close is above the weekly pivot level of 25.03. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 28.79 and 22.61 respectively. The stock is 4% above its 20-week moving average. Technically it is trading sideways. The HUMNL network closed at 14.65 level on June 26, 2020. The close is below the weekly pivot level of 14.99. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 16.40 and 13.22 respectively. The stock is 55% above its 20-week moving average, showing overbought status. The World Call Telecom closed at 0.85 level on June 26, 2020. The close is below the weekly pivot level of 0.86. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 0.95 and 0.75. Sideways trading is expected. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.